Using a trust as an asset protection vehicle protects you against a possible sequestration of your estate. But timing is the name of the game here. You should create a trust and transfer your assets to it now while you are still in a good financial position. If you place assets in a business trust and you are declared insolvent, you will only lose the assets that are in your own name. The business trust is separate and independent from the person who sets it up. If the person is declared insolvent, it does not affect the trust. As a result, the assets which you place in a business trust can be used to maintain your previous standard of living after insolvency. If it is applied at the right time and used in a proper and legal way, there are absolutely no disadvantages to using a business trust. If you are someone who is in business and has assets and investments that you would like to protect, make sure that you get in touch with us. Go to lumkastirman.com.